Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, and today's video is going to be about how you can increase your privacy on Facebook. So if you want to make your Facebook profile completely private to your friends, you can do that very easily by changing a few settings on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First of all, you just have to open up the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into the account that you want to make private, and you need to make a few changes in the settings to ensure that no person other than your friends on Facebook is able to see your information. Alright, so now what you need to do is simply tap on the three lines in the top right, and from here tap the gear icon in the top right, and this will take you to the settings section of Facebook. Now here what you need to do is scroll down a bit, and under audience and visibility section you need to make a few changes. So the first option is profile locking. Now if you will tap on that, you will see that you can lock your profile and make your photos and post more private in one step. So this is one single step that can make your Facebook profile completely private. Alright, you will not be required to make any more changes. So if you will simply tap on it, lock your profile, you will be able to hide all your photos, posts and stories on your profile, and only your friends will be able to see that. So this is one step method, but in case if you want to ensure that your profile is completely private and no information is visible to anyone other than your friends, you can go back and you can see all these options one by one under audience and visibility. So go to profile information. Here you will be able to see all your contact info, your basic information like your date of birth, your other social media handles that are public or private. Alright, so as you can see, the Snapchat and Twitter handles, they are public, so you can simply tap on them and you can make them private. You simply have to tap on edit for contact info, and here you will be able to change the privacy settings for your phone number, for your social media links, all that stuff. So just tap on the public icon and set it to friends, and that's how you can save it. Alright, similarly you can even hide your basic information that includes your date of birth and other information if you have added any. Alright, now go back and then you can go to how people can find and contact you. Here in this section you can manage who can send you friend requests. So if you don't want everyone to send you friend requests, whosoever is on Facebook, you can set it to friends of friends, so that no random person or no completely stranger person will be able to send you a request. Alright, apart from that, you can even manage who can see your friend list. So for that you can set it to friends, or you can hide it from certain friends if you want, or you can set it to public. Similarly, you can see that if you want to share your email address, if people should be able to search you through your email address or not, so set it to only me to keep it private. Similarly, keep your phone number private by selecting only me, and then also if you want to be searchable on search engines, you can set it to yes or no. Alright, allow search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile. So if you don't want to do that, you can simply turn it off, disable, and that's it. So these are some steps that you can take to completely hide or make your information private on Facebook. Next is post. Again, you can make some changes that who can see your future post, limit who can see past posts, who can see your stories, and who can see your future reels. So make sure all these are set to friends only. Alright, go to story section. Similarly, make the changes who can see your story, alright, who can share your story. So make sure these are all set to friends only. You can even customize it whenever you want, like if you want to hide your story from some of your friends, you can use this option right here, hide from your friends. You can select those friends from which you want to hide it. Alright, so that's another option that you can use. So yeah, that's how you do it. Go to Reels and you can see that only your friends should be able to see your Reels that you share on Facebook, followers and public content. So now Facebook also gives you a follow button on your profile. So if you do not want anyone to follow you on Facebook, you can keep it to friends, that only your friends will follow you, or otherwise Facebook lets you add your friends, and apart from your friends people can follow you on Facebook. But if you don't want people to get that option, you can keep it to friends only. Alright, that's up to you. Similarly, you can also manage profile and tagging, who should be able to tag you on Facebook, and so on, your blocking section, whom you have blocked on Facebook or not. So these are some of the settings that you need to take care of to make sure that your information on Facebook is completely private. Now if you only press this lock your profile button, this is also enough to lock your Facebook profile to make it private. I will show you how that works. So simply tap on it, lock your profile, and you will see this message that you locked your profile. Only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. You can press OK. So I hope I was able to help you to make your Facebook profile completely private. If you still have any doubts related to this video or any of my video, do let me know in the comment section down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more interesting and useful videos, and I will be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.